Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new smartwatch video and we have the brand new T-Rex Pro in the house. So T-Rex Pro is Amazfit's brand new premium category smartwatch, and let me tell you, this one is an exclusive model. It's actually a rugged military grade smartwatch that comes with some exclusive features, and today in this video we're gonna unbox and I'll be giving my full review on the product. So the watch comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got a picture of the product on the front. We've got the Amazfit branding everywhere, and talking about the highlights, the smartwatch comes with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display. It supports blood oxygen SpO2 measurement, supports 100 plus port mode tracking, and offers a long battery life. Going to the other side, we've got some of features mentioned, like the watch has passed 15 military grade certifications, has a precise GPS on it, it's 100 meters water resistant, and has built-in altimeter, barometer, and also compass, guys. Whole lot of sensors on this watch. Now going to the back side, we've got some more details about the product, and if you ask about the color, the watch is actually available in 3 different colors in India. The one we have right now is the standard black color edition. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just open the box and show you the smartwatch. So as soon as you open it, the outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside we've got one more plain white box with the Amazfit branding. And as soon as you open it, we've got the smartwatch at the top. And here you go, guys, our brand new Amazfit T-Rex Pro smartwatch in meteorite black color. Wow, now that looks pretty awesome, right? Let me just take it out of this and show you the smartwatch. By the way, I have to tell you, from my first impressions, the watch kinda looks a lot like the G-Shock series, right? And let me tell you, I love these sort of designs because it gives you that macho feel when you wear it. So before I actually give you a closer look at it, let me also show you the accessories. You get a magnetic pogo pin charging cable in the box and some paperwork. Just make sure to read this for all the info. That's it. These were all the stuff that we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the smartwatch and then we'll talk about the design, build quality, and all that. So guys, here's how Amazfit's brand new T-Rex rugged military smartwatch looks like. Let me just peel off the sticker on the display. The watch might look a bit big in size, but trust me, it's not that heavy. It weighs only around like 60 grams in the hand. Alright, let's talk about the display. The T-Rex Pro comes with a 1.3-inch HD AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 360 and also has a tempered glass on it with anti-fingerprint coating. I love the bezel quality. Also has this metallic grey finish with red accents, and has select, back, and up and down text written on it. You've got 4 buttons on all the 4 corners, and I like the premium touch they've given, like these chamfered edges and also these high quality bolts that are present over here. The watch is definitely a bit thicker than the usual Amazfit smartwatches, and you've got 4 buttons on it as mentioned before, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and the quality of the buttons also look pretty good. They've got a textured grip with chamfered edges and really give you that premium kind of feel. Going to the backside, this is how it looks like. At the center, you've got a HR monitor, some charging contacts, and I've already told you, right, the watch is 10 atmospheres water resistant. If you ask about the quality of the straps also look pretty good. I like this black and gray color combination, feels soft and also durable. But looks like these straps are not user replaceable, so keep that in mind. Anyways, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. I'll just power on the watch, set it up, and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and first look at Amazfit's T-Rex Pro smartwatch. And as I've told you just now, build quality of the watch is top notch, guys. The entire body of the watch is made of polycarbonate, and the brand has definitely paid a lot of attention to the detailing and the finishing quality. And not to forget, the watch is also like military grade certified, right? So it's a rugged watch that passed like 15 military grade certifications. So it's like shock proof, heat and cold resistance. It's basically weatherproof, guys, and very rugged and great for adventurers and athletes and these sort of people. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly give you a closer look at the watch. I'll power it on and show you how the UI interface, and also we'll check out the display quality of the watch as well. So there you go, guys. This is how Amazfit's T-Rex Pro display looks like, and as usual, even this model has always on display and raise to wake feature. So guys, this is how the display on the watch looks like, and let me tell you, it's a very beautiful looking display. I've already told you, right, it's got a 1.3-inch HD AMOLED display, and there's great amount of detail on it thanks to the 360 by 360 resolution. Text looks like sharp and crisp. You can read everything on the display, and colors also look rich and vibrant thanks to that AMOLED panel, and the brightness is also quite bright and sufficient. I had no issues even using the smartwatch in bright outdoor situations also. Keeping that aside, guys, this is how the UI and the interface looks like. Now, this is not something new. It's the same UI that you usually see on most of the Amazfit smartwatches. So swiping down on the home screen brings the status this panel. Over here it shows you the date and time, battery life, and offers some quick setting toggles like you got flashlight, auto brightness toggle mode is there, vibrate, DND mode, theater mode, and a shortcut to the settings app. We'll check out the settings in a moment. And by swiping right on the home screen, you can quickly check out the notifications page, guys. Here you can access all your recently received notifications or any messages or maybe any app alerts that you get on your phone. But again, for this to receive now, you'll have to keep the watch connected to your phone via Bluetooth. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can access the activity panel. Here it shows you the number of steps taken, calories burned, and distance traveled, and these sort of stuff for that particular day. And by swiping left on the home screen, you can access a complete list of apps present on the smartwatch. So before I actually show you all the smartwatch apps and features, let me quickly tell you what these 4 buttons do on the smartwatch. So this upper select button is used to quickly access the outdoor sports activity mode, guys. And let me tell you, the Amazfit T-Rex Pro supports almost like 100 plus sports mode activity tracking. That is crazy, right? And it's also like 10 atmospheres water resistant, right? So it's also great for tracking your swimming related activities as well. Super useful. I'll come to the sports and activity tracking in a moment. And this bottom back button is either used to go back from any app to the home screen, or you can quickly access the app page as well using that button. And the best part is you can even navigate the watch using this up and down buttons. For example, if you're in the app page or maybe you're in the settings page, then instead of using the usual touch function, you can even use these buttons as well to navigate through the menu and the UI. Now this can be very useful, especially when you're underwater or maybe you're swimming. That is because touch doesn't work underwater, right? There you can use these buttons to easily navigate through the menu. Super useful functions, I'd say. Okay guys, so let me quickly show you all the apps and features present on this watch. So as usual, you've got most of the similar apps present on the other Amazfit smartwatches only. Like you've got Pi Health Analysis at the top, and then you've got the heart rate measurement. We'll come to the heart rate measurement in a moment, and it also supports SpO2 blood oxygen level measurement. Then you've got the workout section. Here you can start your sport activity tracking, and the next one is called the activity section, where you can keep a track on all your previous activities that you've done. And then going down, you've got workout status, and then you've got activity goal, which is your personal day-to-day health fitness related summary. And then you got the weather app. Here it shows you complete weather info. And going next, you've got some more useful utilities, like you got alarm, and then you got compass is also there on it, and you got barometric altimeter as well. These are some pretty useful features, especially for adventurers, guys, who go for trekking and these sort of stuff. And lastly, you've got timer, countdown, events management, and it also has Bluetooth music control feature as well. And using this function, guys, you can easily control the music that is being played on your phone. And then you've got find your phones feature, notifications app, and lastly you've got the settings. So in the settings, guys, you can do a lot of things, like you can change the watch faces. The T-Rex Pro supports like a bunch of watch faces. It comes preloaded with a lot of them, and you can even also download them from Amazfit's Zep app as well. Then you've got DND settings, preferences, and in the display settings, you can adjust the brightness or even set it to auto brightness mode, and you can even toggle always on display and raise to wake functions, these sort of stuff. And you've got some GPS settings as well, some workout detection sensitivity level adjustment as well, and that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the settings that are available on the smartwatch. So that is pretty much it, guys, our complete overview on the apps and features present on it. And let me tell you, see, I've been using the watch for the past few days, right? The overall UI and navigation feels very smooth on the smartwatch. One of the smoothest UIs I've actually seen on a smartwatch around this price range. So I didn't face any sort of lags or stutters as well. So great performance as well. So what I'll do is I'll quickly, keep this aside, and then we'll talk about the health and the special health monitoring features present on this watch. The T-Rex Pro comes with a high-quality BioTracker 2 PPG optical sensor, and let me tell you, it was doing a very good job. It's capable of measuring 24 hours continuous heart rate and was giving accurate readings most of the time. And not only that, guys, it's also capable of measuring abnormal heart rates if any detected, and it will give you a message as well saying that you need to do some breathing exercise and meditate to calm down and relieve that stress. And keeping that aside, guys, I forgot to mention it's also capable of stress and sleep quality measurement measurement as well. So these were some of the health related functions, and I forgot to mention it also has blood oxygen level SpO2 measurement as well, right? So you've got like everything that you would require on this smartwatch. Now let me tell you about the GPS and the sports functions that are built into it. This is the main highlight of this smartwatch. See, most of the smartwatches around this price range only have GPS plus GLONASS functionality built into them, but Amazfit has taken it to the next level on this watch by implementing 4 global positioning satellite system support. You've got GPS plus GLONASS, Baidu and Galileo functionality also built into it. On most of the smartwatches which I've tested in the past, right, around this price range, whenever you start a sport activity tracking mode now, it will usually take around like 35 or at least 40 seconds to lock onto the GPS signal, guys. Take into consideration their own GTS or GTR2 series lineup. But on this smartwatch, the T-Rex Pro, the GPS was like super fast, and it was locking onto the signal within 10 seconds. I was like quite surprised when I saw that. And also the whole global positioning system, geo navigation location, that was very accurate, guys. It was giving accurate results on the map also. So that is also a very nice thing. It can be like super useful for all the sport people, athletes who do a lot of marathon racing and outdoor sport activities. And not to forget, it also supports like 100 meters water resistance, right? So you can even use it for your swimming related activities as well. So that is very nice. Okay, let me tell you about the call and the message notifications. If you want to receive call or message notifications on the watch, you'll need to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, guys. And this is how you'll receive call notifications on the watch when someone is calling you on your phone. You can only like cut the call or dismiss the notification. There is no option to reply to it because there is no microphone on it, right? So forget about Bluetooth calling. That function is not there on it. And also, if you talk about the message notifications, well, you can receive messages or notifications from variety of apps like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and you can easily see the content of the message and even the name of the sender on the smartwatch. But unfortunately, again, you do not have support to reply to these messages from the watch itself. So that's it, guys. We are almost coming to an end. Let me also tell you about the battery life. Well, the battery life on this watch is I'd say decently good. See, on a typical or you'd say moderate kind of use, like for example, if you use all the special smart features like always on display, brightness above like 75 or 80%, and you're using GPS for your sport activity tracking with GPS functionality turned on every day or almost every alternate day, then you can expect only around like 7 to 8 days of battery life, guys. Again, that is a typical kind of usage. But again, if you use it like very lightly or moderate kind of usage, like only as a smartwatch with limited Bluetooth functionality and very less GPS or sport activity tracking, then you can easily expect around like 15 to 16 days of battery life, guys, easily. So that was about the battery life, and that is pretty much it, guys. That was my review on Amazfit's brand new T-Rex Pro smartwatch. It is definitely one of my favorite smartwatches right now. I love the macho looks on it, extremely durable and rugged, 10 atmospheres water resistant, has a beautiful AMOLED display and excellent health and sport activity features included. The only few things I felt it was lacking was a built-in microphone for Bluetooth calling functionality, and there was no voice assistant support. Again, these are something found on Amazfit's GTR and GTS series lineup only. I guess the brand didn't include them maybe to extend the battery life on this model, and also maybe another reason is sports people and athletes would not be that interested in those kind of features, right? So maybe that must have been the reason. Anyways, the smartwatch costs around 12,999 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. That's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.